First illustration, Rajesh sold goods to Sanjay on the 1st September 2014 for rupees 16,000. Sanjay immediately accepted a 3 months bill. On due date, Sanjay requested that the bill be renewed for a fresh period of 2 months. Rajesh agrees, provided interest at 9% was paid immediately in cash. To this, Sanjay was agreeable. The second bill was made on a due date. Give journal entries in the books of Rajesh. Now, first of all, decide who is Rajesh, whether he is a drawer or a drawee. In the first sentence itself, it has been given that Rajesh sold goods to Sanjay. A seller is always a drawer of the bill, and a buyer is always a acceptor. It means he is a drawee of the bill. So therefore, Rajesh is a drawer, and in whose books we have to pass the necessary journal entries. So let us start passing the entries one by one. On the 1st September, first transaction has taken place. Rajesh sold goods to Sanjay for rupees 16,000. On 1st September 2014, first entry in the books of the Rajesh will be Sanjay's account debit to sales account 16,000. That is goods sold on credit. Next, Sanjay immediately accepted a 3 months bill. So it means we are in the books of Rajesh. Rajesh has received a acceptance from Sanjay. It is that acceptance which will be going to be received, that is amount will be received after the 3 months. So that is why from the point of view of Rajesh, it is a bills receivable. So on the same date, debit what comes in, bills receivable has been received. So therefore bills receivable account debit to Sanjay's account, who is a drawee, amount is of 16,000. On due date, Sanjay requested that the bill be renewed for a fresh period of 2 months. The date of bill was of 1st September 2014. It was of 3 months bill. So add the 3 months. So it will become 1st December 2014. In that add the 3 days grace period. So it is 4th December 2014. Sanjay has requested for a renewal of a bill for a fresh period of 2 months. As we have seen in the journal entries, whenever there will be a renewal of the bill, 4 entries has to be passed. First entry, cancel the old bill. Second entry, since the period will be extended, so interest will be charged. Third entry, in such type of renewal, a certain part payment will be made by the drawee to the drawer. Third entry will be passed for the part payment, and fourth entry will be for the new acceptance received. So let us go one by one. First, cancel the old bill. For cancellation of old bill, the journal entry will be in the same manner just like as a dishonor of bill. When Sanjay has given an acceptance, Rajesh has not discounted, neither endorsed or nor sent up for the bill for collection. So it means he has kept the bill till the date of maturity with himself. So entry that will be passed, as soon as the bill is cancelled or dishonor, first of all debit the drawee's account. So Sanjay's account debit, and bill was with a Rajesh, so therefore he will credit the bills receivable account. So that is why our entry will be Sanjay's account debit to bills receivable account 16,000. Second entry will be for the interest charge. So as it has been given, Rajesh agrees, provided interest at 9% was paid immediately in cash. First of all, we have to charge the interest, then it will be collected immediately in a cash. So on the same date, 4th December 2014, entry for the interest charge. We are in the books of Rajesh. For the Rajesh interest, it is an income and it is receivable from the Sanjay. So he will pass the entry Sanjay's account debit to interest account 16,000 on that at the rate of 9%. But the extended period, it will be as per the request of Sanjay, it is of 2 months. So that is why interest will be considered only for the period of 2 months, that is 240 rupees. Now this interest is to be paid immediately in cash. So next entry, interest received, that is cash account debit to Sanjay's account, because Sanjay is the giver of this money. So cash account debit to Sanjay's account, interest of 240. Now for the balance, he is ready to accept the fresh bill. So for the balance amount, he will accept the fresh bill. So for that, the fourth entry, new acceptance received from Sanjay on the same date, that is bills receivable account debit 16,000 to Sanjay's account. This will be the new bills receivable which has come into existence on a 4th December 2014. Now at the end, they are telling you that the second bill was made on a due date. So this bill is for the period of 2 months, drawn as well as accepted on the 4th December 2014. So add 2 months in that. So it comes 4th February 2015. In that 3 days grace period will be added. So the date of transaction will be 7th February 2015. The bill was made. It means cash has been received. So cash account debit to bills receivable account 16,000. That is what the entries in the books of Rajesh. So this was the first illustration, a simple illustration. First bill has been drawn. Then as per the request of the drawing, the renewal has been made. Interest is charged and collected immediately. For the balance amount, new bill is drawn and that new bill has been made. That is what the series of transaction in which we have recorded the journal entries in the books of Rajesh.